Hello there. Today we'll be doing the problem called friend groups. You are given an undirected graph, friends, as an adjacency list, where friend I is a list of people friend I is friends with. Friendship are two-way. Two people are in a friend group as long as they are in the same path of the mutual friend connecting them. So return the total number of friend groups. So in this particular example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we have an output of 3 because we have 3 friend groups. So what does this test case look like? All right, let's take a look. So pulling up the test case. So this is 0. Let me just copy and paste, make it easier for us to take a look at this. So this is our list, and this is our index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so as you can see, 0 is friends with 1, and 1 is friends with 0, and 2 is friends with 1. So that's one group. So we're done with 0, 1, and 2. Then we have 3 is friends with 4, and 4 is friends with 3. All right, now we're done with that group. And lastly, we have 5. 5 is with himself, so there is no group. It's just himself. And we run out of people. That's it. So that's how we'll do our problem. Our problem is we're going to get the number of groups. Let's start with 0. We're going to have scene as a set to add people into the scene group set. And that way, if we've seen them using DFS, we will no longer look at them a second time, the friend. And we have a friend dict to make it easier for us to find our friends, all the friends that are available. We have to, enumerate the friends every single time. All right. So with that, let's create our DFS. We see a person and we check if they're seen. If this person is not seen, then we'll scene.add this person, and we will keep going for the friend in friend dict of this person. And so basically, we're going to keep going for each person recursively and add them all to scene. And we're going to do this for each person. No, person. So if person not in scene, so if we haven't seen them before, then we will start doing a DFS call, and we'll do a groups plus equals 1. Return the number of groups. Whoops, that's okay. We'll just shrink it. All right, so I think, right, so let me just quickly go over the code that was not seen. So for each person, if they're not in the scene group, we will do a DFS call on them. So 0, create this group here. We found a 1, and we then looked at 1 and added 0 and 2 to a group, and we looked at 2, which was seen already, and so we forget about it. And we have our single group, we added it, and we have 0, 1, and 2 in our scene group right now. 0, 1, and 2. This is our scene group. So they're seen already, and so so for next person 1, we skip them. For 2, we skip them. And then we have, let's say, the 3. We check the 3 item. And we have 4. We look at 4. And 4 bounces back at 3, which we've seen. So we add that to the list already. And we've seen 4 at the 4 person once we're done with this next group. So if group is equal to 2 now. And then we have 5. We check 5. It's not in the scene. We DFS it. There's nothing in the friends. We don't do anything with it. We add another group. We're done. We have 3 groups of 3. So that's how we answer this question. Looks like we have an issue here. Unindented block. All right. So we have to indent everything. Run. Perfect. And submit. All right. Well done. That's the problem. So one way to make this logic a little bit better is break. So if we've seen the person, don't do anything. If we haven't seen the person, go through all their friends and create that group. Yes, I think that will work too. Run. Oh, wrong answer. Does not work. Weird. Why would it be 1? I'm not sure what's going on there. That is really odd. And it would work if it's not in scene. That is really weird. It's not the same? Weird. Okay, well, it looks like that wouldn't work. Curious why. If you guys are interested in knowing why, I'll continue this after this portion of the video. Well, if you have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and you can see more of my content in the link in the description below. Alright, so back to this particular issue here. So if person in scene, break. Oh, it breaks the whole loop. Continue, that's what you need to do. Alright. So this should work. Run. Submit. I think this makes more logical sense if we use a continue. Also in here too. If they're not seen not at person, and then we do that, and then we run. Oh, we have an error. Great. So if person is in scene, return. We're done. We don't need to see anymore, because we have met this person already. We've added this person. We have seen their friends. We don't need to see them a second time. Perfect. I think this code is a little bit cleaner now, and I think we're good to go. I think that should be all. Thank you very much. Please have a good one.